everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your language on Monopoly Go application. If you want to change your display language for your Monopoly Go app, then the process is quite straightforward. Simply go ahead and launch Open Monopoly Go application and wait until you are inside the main homepage. Once you are in the main homepage for Monopoly Go, tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner. Inside the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Now, tap the language option where you will be able to see English as default. You will be presented with the list of languages options you can choose from. Go ahead and select the language of your preference and tap on it. Now tap on Change and this will load up your game one more time. And soon after the game restarts, you will be able to see your display language change to the language of your preference. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.